Hi guys, what is MetaMask and how to use MetaMask is not the subject of this video. If you are here is because you are looking for the basic information and steps in order to have MetaMask available in your web browser. So quickly we go on Google, we search for MetaMask, and directly from Google is pointing directly on the main website of MetaMask. Just to clarify, whatever I'm showing here is applicable also for Google Chrome, even though I'm using at the moment Firefox. We click on download and we click on the button to install MetaMask on the browser. MetaMask is working as an extension for the browser, so yes, we want to add it to Firefox, and we wait the time required for our system in order to download the extension. The download is very quickly. As you can see, immediately I've received the confirmation, and by clicking on add we are accepting the permission that MetaMask needs in order to operate on our browser. Once the installation is done, we have here the icon of MetaMask appearing on the browser. By clicking on it, we will start the process in order to initiate the first wallet on MetaMask. During this stage, we need to set up a password that we have to store with us, and this is the password that is going to be used in order to open the wallet, and in some cases also to authorize the operation, and the recovery phrase. Both of them shall be, the password and the recovery phrase shall be duly recorded and stored by us in order to be able to utilize the wallet in the future, and to recover the wallet when we are in need of using it on other device rather than the laptop, mobile, or whatever we are using at the moment. So getting started, we have two options in front of us: either to recover an old wallet or to create a new one. In our case, we proceed creating a new wallet. We agree on the permission again that MetaMask needs from us in order to operate properly. And at this point we have to generate the password. The password, again, this is the password required to open mainly MetaMask, and it might be called also in order to authorize some operation. But on the 99% of the cases, we need the password only to open the wallet whenever we are initiating whenever we are starting up the computer, opening the browser, and calling for MetaMask. So let's fix quickly the password. Let's agree on the terms of use. And in the next steps, we can watch the video showing how to use it, but we can simply follow the channel and see how to configure the further blockchain on the wallet. So we escape this, and here, clicking here, we recover. MetaMask is going to disclose to us the recovery phrase, 12 words that we shall always remember. So, taking note of the 12 words, and after having saved them properly, we are going to be tested by MetaMask in order to prove that we have recorded properly we have saved properly the recovery phrase. So simply we need to start compiling the recovery phrase, reproducing the same order that we received in the previous step. Okay, after having input all the 12 words in the proper order, we can confirm, and all done. The wallet has been created. At this point, the wallet is already running under Ethereum blockchain. In the next videos, we are going to link MetaMask to other blockchain that mainly are the most commonly used on the web, in particular in the various platforms that are allowing us to try to get some passive incomes on the web. And we close this video by showing how to lock the wallet, and how to open it again in order to use it. So clicking on the icon, we insert back the password that we fixed before, and the job is done. We are back again on MetaMask. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.